Master USA Import Rules for Electronics. Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be discussing import regulations for electronic appliances and home electronics in the USA. If you're involved in the importation of these products, understanding the customs requirements is crucial to ensure a smooth process. So, let's dive right in. One of the key aspects to consider is the need for a customs bond. A customs bond is a financial guarantee between the importer and the customs authority that ensures compliance with all customs requirements and payment of duties and taxes. It acts as a form of insurance to protect the government if there are any breaches. Having a customs bond is mandatory for most importers, and it's determined based on the value and nature of the goods being imported. To facilitate the importation process, many businesses rely on customs brokers. Customs brokers are licensed professionals who specialize in navigating the complexities of customs regulations. They assist importers in preparing and submitting the necessary documentation, calculating duties and taxes, and ensuring compliance with all relevant laws and regulations. Engaging the services of a customs broker can help streamline the importation process and minimize potential complications. Another important requirement when importing electronic appliances and home electronics into the USA is the Importer Security Filing, commonly known as ISF. This filing must be submitted to the U.S. Customs and Border Protection (CBP) at least 24 hours before the goods are loaded onto the vessel at the foreign port of export. The ISF includes detailed information about the importer, the seller, the buyer, and the goods themselves. It helps CBP identify potential security risks and effectively manage the flow of cargo. Keep in mind that compliance with import regulations goes beyond just paperwork. CBP may perform physical inspections on imported goods to ensure they comply with safety standards, such as those imposed by the Federal Communications Commission (FCC) and the Consumer Product Safety Commission (CPSC) for electronic appliances. Non-compliant products may face delays, detentions, or even rejections at the port of entry. It's also important to be aware of any specific regulations or restrictions for certain electronic appliances. For example, some products may require additional certifications or documentation, such as ENERGY STAR labels for energy-efficient appliances or compatibility certifications for electronic devices. Being well informed about these requirements will help you ensure compliance and avoid unnecessary complications. Finally, let's briefly touch upon the concept of a customs bond once again. A customs bond can be obtained through a surety company or a customs broker, and it comes in different forms, such as a single entry bond or a continuous bond. A single entry bond covers a specific import transaction, while a continuous bond remains in effect for a year and covers multiple transactions. The type of bond you need will depend on your import volume and frequency. And that concludes our discussion on import regulations for electronic appliances and home electronics in the USA. It's important to stay informed about these regulations to ensure a smooth and compliant import process. Remember to work with a customs broker, submit the necessary documentation, including the Importer Security Filing, ISF, and be aware of any specific requirements for your products. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more informative content. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Disclaimer note is posted below.